Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. I'm Ben Clark, and joining me today we've got Vince Pezzullo from Perpetual and Adam Alexander from Evans & Partners, and we're going to be looking at some stocks that look potentially compelling value in the ASX 200. Very tough area of the market out there, of course, but we're not going to be talking about enterprise value to revenue metrics, which seems to be a tool increasingly used. So we'll start with Alumina, Vince. You could have bought this one cheaper 20 years ago. Surely it's cheap now. Buy, hold or sell?
Hold here. Div's probably okay. Alumina market's probably in balance, but there is still risks that the base metal prices haven't started moving. That's all a telltale sign for us.
Okay. Adam, this has been a terrible stock to own long term, but a great trading stock. Is it a buy at the moment?
We think it is a buy. I think it is at the bottom end of its trading range. The alumina price has come back. We think the alumina market looks okay longer term, 8% yield. We'll buy it.
Okay. Nine Entertainment, a lot of corporate activity. We're being told it's a digital company, but looks cheap. Buy, hold or sell?
We are a buy. I think the merger creates a national platform of print and TV. Those businesses will never shoot the lights out, but there does look to be some value in the online businesses. So Domain and Stan there, and we think that yield is sustainable. Okay.
Vince, do you think this is making the transition to digital well? Buy, hold or sell?
Sell.
Yeah.
The digital business they brought in is actually quite cyclical. It's a housing exposed stock, but they are doing the right things. But for us, a bit lower is probably our preferred entry point.
Okay, and then Platinum. Now you could have bought this. This one actually is trading below where it floated at 12 years ago. Is it a buy or a hold, sell? You know the funds management business well.
Yeah, hold. We quite like the way that they're actually quite contrarian investors. So at some point, it's probably the right place to be, but not right now.
Okay, Adam. 24 billion in FUM when they floated. 22. It's up to 24 now. Despite what the MSCI's done, hasn't been a great performance. Buy, hold or sell?
I agree with Vince here. It's a hold. Contrarian investments probably hurt them a little bit, causing some fund outflow. And so at the moment, probably we'll sit on the sidelines there.
Okay. Now I've asked you both to bring along a stock that you like value-wise. We'll start with Adam. What do you reckon?
I'm going to go with Oil Search. I think it's got some really great assets in LNG. So the PNG, LNG, and some really good upside optionality in the Alaskan oil assets. Yep. Trading at the low end of its range at the moment. We like the oil market longer term. It's been a bit of underinvestment in conventional oil. US shale's getting more expensive to get out of the ground. And just with the CEO transitioning out of Oil Search, there may be some corporate appeal around it. So at these levels, we think it's great value.
Okay. Vince, another one other than Oil Search. Good value at the moment?
For us, it's Graincorp. There's a bit of, again, corporate activity going on in a sense that they're breaking the business up into two pieces. We like the new Graincorp. Ever since they put the derivative instrument in, it's taken out the bottom end of the volatility in earnings. So we get, $750, $800 million for that business. And the malt business being, global independent, the largest global independent malt producer, selling to craft beer and the liquor market. And it's a full service offering that's pretty unique globally. We think that's worth north of 1.5 billion, so we quite like Graincorp.
Okay. Well, the price is what you pay and value is what you get.